Hello and welcome everyone to our Facebook page. Today again we will demonstrate how to make different crafts using different things which is available to you at your home. So at first you can see we have made different face and now we are making an umbrella from it, and how cute it is looking now. Next we will make a beautiful butterfly with a beautiful graphic paper, and you can see how easy it was to make, just few folds and this is completed. Next we are using a paper cup and we are cutting it in the shape as shown in the video to make a beautiful sunflower from it. Next we'll make some color to it and this is ready. Now we are making a beautiful bow with a beautiful flavor. Next we'll fold some sides and then we'll fold from the bottom and we'll open it, and you can see the shape has already came. Next we'll use scissor to cut it to give the beautiful shape to it. You can see we are using the scissor to cut, and now this is almost ready and you can see how beautiful it is looking now. Now we are using some paper strips and we are folding it in the shape as shown in the video to make a beautiful rainbow with a beautiful sun. We have also added the cloud to it. Now we are using a green color chart paper and we are giving some folds to it to make a frog. Yes, we are making the frog. We have made the hands and the leg first. Next we'll make the body. You can see how we are folding it, and after folding we'll add the face with the marker. We have made the eyes and the legs, and you can see now this is jumping. Now we're using some paper strips and pasting it with each other to make it bouncy, and we'll again make a frog from it. You can see we have already made the face, and next we'll use a paper to make the spring, and you can see now this will bounce. Now again we are using a graphic paper, a small piece of paper, to make a beautiful craft. You can see how we are giving the folds. You have to do it in the same way as shown in the video to make it. We have made some more of it and we are pasting it with each other to make a beautiful umbrella. And you can see this is ready now. Next we'll use some tissue paper to make a beautiful cute bunny. We are folding it and we are using our hands to give it the shape, and next we will add the eyes and we'll use some makeup to do it complete. Next again we are using the green paper and we are folding it in different shapes to make a beautiful craft. Actually we are making an revolver and we are giving some folds to it. You can see the one part is ready, and next we'll roll a paper to make the other part, and you can see the gun is almost ready. You can see how good it is looking now. Now we'll make some beautiful flowers with paper and this is ready. Thank you very much for watching the video.